Hi again. This is Preetjot from My Little Muffin.
And I'm Trisha and I'm 4 years old.
So, meet Trisha and me. We have come here today to talk about something really exciting. So, we have this amazing slime box from Podsquad that we would like to show you. So, Podsquad has sent us this 3-in-1 monster slime box. Let's see what's there inside it.
Yeah, I'm really excited.
Really?
Yeah.
Mentioned that it's good for age 3 and above, and we have quite a lot of stuff inside as mentioned on the box. Let's open and see.
Yeah, but I can't wait. But I can't wait.
So would you like to open this
Yeah, sure. I got open.
from here?
Okay. Wow. Here this instruction book.
Okay, so we have this instruction book like she said. Can we have a look at this first?
Oh, that's cool.
So we have all these ingredients that we would require to make the slime inside this box. Look at the lovely instructions and the cute illustrations on this card.
And of course, here's the stickers, my favorite part.
Stickers! Let's also see what's more inside.
And here's some balls, and here one stick, and here's some glue.
Uh, they have also sent us the slime cups that we would require,
Yeah, these ones. And
which come with the lid.
yeah, it looks really cute. What's inside it?
So, and this is a glue cup where we could mix our glue. So we would be using this Podsquad Monster Kit and we'll share what our experience was.
Yep.
So see you soon. So stay tuned to see how we make our slime.
Yeah, we will make it in another video.
Okay, so we'll make a video and share like she promised. Stay tuned and see you, and please subscribe to our channel.
Bye.